Alright, today is the day the Honda, right here, loses its heart. So we're going to be taking the engine out and rebuilding it the right way, and way better than what the last people did to this car. Let me show you. You may be asking why. Well, this mount's bolted in. The back mount is not bolted in. Forget about that one. I guess the previous owner said that we don't need that one. This mount, stripped. Previous owner said, screw it. And then the bottom two mounts are not bolted in at all. We don't need those, right? We just need one mount. On top of that, the engine harness they put in here is not the right harness. Car ran like crap. We have a little bit of an announcement going on here. This is not going to be the $800 Civic anymore. We got a new name for it. It's going to be Amazonda. You may be asking, why Amazonda? Well, thanks to Caleb Plays Games. In the last video, he came up with that name. So let's put this bad boy in service mode. Dun, 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 dun. We're done. Look at you with your nice ass box. Just doing life. I am here with a box that's just too big to move around, even though it's not that big. What, you're gonna try out your Cobalt? Yeah. Alright, try on that. Put a 10 on it. Alright, now try yours. I feel sorry for you. Where's my fucking... Every time I need to use something, someone leaves it lying around somewhere. Oh, this was you this time. Was it? Yes, you were using this on the AC. Now you finally have something against me. Do you want to drain this first? I think that would be the smart decision. Should you? Huh? No, I think we should lift it up and actually drain the radiator. Yeah, I'm going to drain the radiator. So we're going to lift it up. We don't need to lift it up. Oh, you want to crawl under? If we lift it up, what are we going to use to drain it? I'm not going to hold it. Okay, I'll hold it. Down. I'll hold it. Okay, alright. One sec. Okay. There it is. Get the bucket. You're holding the bucket. Does it have the knob attachment? Oh, we're draining. Super. I'll put holes in that. No, I will. Guess what? Yeah, so now it splatters everywhere. It's not splattering. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Where? On this side, it's splattering. This is what happens when you don't have the proper equipment for the lift that you just bought. You know the nipple twister? Imagine grabbing a nipple clamp and somehow attaching it to this and going, ripping the nipple. I love this thing. It's my new addition. Let's try her out. Where's... Ooh. Oh, no problem at the lowest setting. Where you're like, oh, yeah, this one's on tight. Oh. That one almost ripped the stud off. I don't think these belong on here. No, I think they stripped them. Next new shop idea. Have an air compressor that's outside if we keep doing videos. So another thing that's not done right in this car is all tires, wheels, only have three lugs on there. We don't need the fourth one, as long as tight is tight. God damn! Ooh, that's fucking hot! Holy shit! Yeah. Ooh! Just gonna take the 2 axle bolts out. Well, hey, while we were draining the coolant, we got some other things done. That's just that one little step closer, huh? Going down sideways. Hey, now this car is starting to look like something I would see at Pick and Pull. Yeah, it is. Holy, we are out right here. I had a really bad temptation to just chuck that condenser. Now we gotta do the transmission lines.
Yep. Yeah, you do.
We might as well just lift this up a little bit. Alright. Oh, hey, look at that. They're going. There we go.
Today we are working on the Amazonda. Alex is currently unhooking throttle line, cable.
No, it's fuel line.
Fuel line. Alex is currently unhooking fuel line next to the throttle line, of course.
I never knew a throttle line was a thing.
What
is a throttle line?
I just took out the distributor.
Does a throttle line also have coolant in it?
I'm about to take off the coolant hoses now. We're getting really close to tearing this thing out, that's for sure. I hope you all are excited to see how amazing this is going to be. He just got oil and gas all over himself. Expensive cologne. Just rub some fuel on yourself.
Pokemon.
Gotta catch them all.
I know, it's like Pokemon were to come after us. Like, what are they coming after?
Amazonda.
I have... Fucking take it. Make a Pokemon out of this. I would actually be happy.
Catching Amazonda in the wild. 1 in 1,000th chance.
Yeah, and it only comes in the shiny form.
You think there's gonna be coolant?
Probably a little bit. Oh, would you look at that? Huh?
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I don't know. Not to mention, out of all the things that were disconnected in the car and not installed properly, we got our little, what's it called? Climate controller. Not bolted. Yeah, we don't need that. Eva wants to be in. Look at how much the motor moves.
Whoa, I want to try something. I might have just big brained idea'd this.
Did that work?
It almost. It needs to go in like this. Dude!
Is it working? What?
I big brained it.
What?
Body clip puller pulls coolant hoses.
I don't think there's anything else holding this anymore from down here.
Yeah, just the one mount. Yield Connor can shake
I think it's a bad ball joint.
So that's actually an unbalanced tire.
Balanced tire?
Yeah, unbalanced. It needs to be balanced. It has a uneven wear.
So you gotta take this to your local tire shop.
Yep.
Okay. So what are they balancing? The transmission?
They're balancing the carbonator.
Carbonator.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the carbonator?
It's right here.
Oh yeah, I see all the carbonator capacitors
Yeah, so
in
you
there.
take these out like this right here, right? So
that's not even bolted in.
and then this wire, you have to put a weight on it.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, and then it balances your brakes. Dude, the glove I hit the full transmission fluid.
Our temporary fix.
How is it holding there? Is it
I
have
don't know.
transmission fluid in it?
This is a glove with transmission.
Dude, how does that help there? You have milk in it before?
No.
I have. Oh no, dude, you got blood in the milk.
Just fucking squish the crap out of it. Oh.
The udder popped. Hey, I cleaned it up.
Yeah. Look at her go. Yikes.
Okay, well, that's off. And then we have to take the two off. Or is that
It's not even connected, so it saves us time. Oh, it isn't plugged?
No, it's just...
Oh, okay. Okay. That is a gnarly extension.
Oh yeah. Dude, and we have some long tube headers.
There's those pins that girls use for their hair.
Yeah.
What are they called?
Bobby pins.
Yeah. They fucking damn near got close enough to just putting bobby pins in these. Imagine if there was bobby pins holding these.
It's just a really cheap cotter pin.
Ah, nice.
You know what? I know what we need. You don't press now?
You know, it's funny because I think for the rest of our lives we'll always have a battle between Milwaukee and Cobo in this shop. Okay, that's scary. I do not like that.
What?
Just how much the whole motor moves.
What is that?
What?
That you just dropped?
Where?
That piece.
That's the shield protector for the shift linkage.
Oh.
That is so easy. I like that.
I like you. Fuck, I wasn't supposed to say that.
What?
We give it a good blow. She's on there. This is where one of those air hammer. That'll come in handy here now. Oh, got it, pop.
Yep.
Oh, I just dodged. Peanut butter buster.
Holy crap, dude. Removing axles on a lift is a blessing. Wow. Okay, right here.
Watch out for my fingers, though. Ow! I said watch out for it.
There we go.
Axle 1, out.
Yeah, boy.
Amazonda 1, Alex 1.
Hold it like that. Alright, one last go.
That worked.
That worked. How the hell? I've never used my left hand.
I've never used my left hand either. Okay, follow you.
Holy crap!
Grip strength, dude.
Yeah, that's a mechanic grip strength right there. Oh yeah. She a little busted. Wasn't us. Yeah. Alright, let's drop it.
I should not have a torch near me.
Dude, you know what I'm tempted? To just undo those bolts and just let her fall. Oh no, it does not.
No, you're close. It goes the other way.
Oh! Okay, that was a very idiotic moment right there.
Oh,
I scratched her!
Hey, dude. Guess we gotta wrap it.
Are you sure that's the way it goes?
That is the way it goes, but it's just really thick in the center.
So now
We dropped the
I'm
last
just
mount. I wouldn't lower it on top of that. Oh, yeah, I guess. Ooh, you're crushing the bumper.
Hi.
You don't care.
No. Okay. Last bolts. Last bolts. What are those? 19s?
17. Oh, it's because it's also holding the weight of the engine.
Okay, that's actually kind of fun. You can't tell me that's not fun.
Where'd the bolt go? I like that. Alright, now
Theoretically, now you gotta move this motor forward because that back mount, right?
Hold on.
So,
Yeah.
keep an eye.
No, you lift it up first.
No, if I lift up, look at that motor mount in the back. It's on the subframe.
Well, yeah, just lift it up a little bit, and then it'll rotate, and as you pull,
Alright, tell me.
like there. Yeah.
Oh, wait. I don't think we ever took care of this mount.
Well, it took care of itself.
It did take care of itself.
Are we good? I think we're good.
Dude, we're solid.
Alright.
It is very close to that edge. You can't tell me that was one of the easiest Civic motor removals that you have ever done.
That was really easy.
It is so much easier going through the bottom. Yeah, we ignore that. It is so much easier going through the bottom than the top. Ooh, now we could look. Holy crap. They really tore that. Oh.
Well, I think we also fucked it when we just let it slam.
Yeah, but that is really messed up.
Yeah.
Those threads are completely gone.
New build coming soon.
Well, since this thing is out, we have another video that's going to be coming up once we get everything ordered. And I think it's going to be worthwhile watching for sure. Because it's going to be good.
Exciting.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
It's going to be a surprise, but it's going to be good. I think it'll be good. Shut me in here, Daddy.
Okay. Watch your head.
I got you. Dude, you could so fuck me over and actually latch the hood. Okay. Hey, motherfucker!
I won't do that to you.
I'm supercharged.